Congrats to this speed fan for winning $100,000.
GG's, bro. GG's, bro.
This is the strongest man in the world. Later in this video, we're gonna see if he can win a tug-of-war against 100 kids. But first, to showcase how strong he is, he's seeing if he can pull this plane weighing over 50,000 pounds over 75 feet. This is true. You guys will be going up against.
He got nothing on me.
Go! It's not budging! Wait, guys, look, it's moving!
This is so crazy.
He is literally pulling a plane! This is your opponent! Oh my god! Oh my god! He just pulled a plane! Do you think you can beat him in tug-of-war? We'll find out later in the video! For this next 1v1, we crashed a savannah